Now being loaded. We are waiting for the rider to climb back. Set. Ready for racing. Race number 9. Racing just is started. We have If Your Honor Please. Break quickly start. Rushing about the outside out. Diving through the leadings. Jebel Ali. Moving up now is Jazz Jewel. And going along for the first turn, we have Jebel Ali. Dinalupian in between horses. Jazz Jewel getting the wide strip. Then next on line is Jazz again. Running by the relief, Your Honor Please. Then next on line is Tanenova. Amiga comes next. Al Volcano Private Thoughts. Then comes Dramatis Persona, while Tapwise is racing in less half-mile distance. They traveled. We have Jebel Ali by about 2 lengths. Dinalupihan in second. Just again. Then moving up is If Your Honor Please is Tanenova in between horses. Then next on line now is Amiga. If Your Honor Please, Taal Volcano, Dramatis Persona. Then next on line now is Private Thoughts, while Tapwise is racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Jebel Ali. Dinalupian just again is Tanenova. And as they swing for Jebel Ali, followed by Dinalupian, moving up on the outside. Amiga running by. The rail comes just again, the last 50 meters, we have Jebel Ali, Dinalupihan, Amiga, and finally Jebel Ali, Amiga, Dinalupihan. Then comes just again, Private Thoughts is standing now. Dramatis Persona.
Alright, number 4A, Jebel Ali crossing the waters. Led by John Alvin Brisa, then Masisilundo, Binado. Numero 8, Amiga. Then just again, Private Thoughts, Tanenova. Panarin natin, replay ito ating race number 9.
Ang bahaging ito